Good morning, everyone. Myself, Kanchan Paute, Faculty of Computer Science Department. Today, I will show you how to solve practicals of big data. Okay. These are the 15 slips of big data subsets of Savitribai Phule Pune University, SPPU University. Okay, let we see one by one practicals of each slips here. This is a practical number 1, that is write an R program to find maximum and minimum value of given vectors. Okay, first of all, for this purpose, first of all, we created a vectors, that is numbers is equal to C. These are the elements of vectors. Afterward, with the help of print function, we printing the elements of the vectors. Afterward, print numbers, print paste maximum. For calculating a maximum, see here 60 is a maximum number and 10 is a minimum number of this given vectors nums. Then with the help of max function and min functions, we are creating a maximum and minimum number of the given vectors and passing the name of the vector. Okay, max nums and min nums. See here 60 is a maximum number. With the help of max function 60, and with calculated and minimum function, the minimum number will be calculated from the given vector. 10 is the minimum numbers. Okay, just type this code on R console and just type this code on R console. Okay, I already explained in previous lecture how to install R. Okay, R. Okay, install R for Windows operating system. Just copy and paste this code on R console. Okay, about finding a maximum and minimum number from the given vector. This is a first program. Okay, afterward, this is a second practical. Is nothing but a write R program to create a list of elements using vector matrices and function. Print the content of list. See here, for this purpose, you have to just first of all, you have to create a vector submatrix function and print the content of list, and with the help of print function just print the content of list. Okay, for this purpose, first of all, you have to create a list. And see here, with the help of list function, this is a list. Create this list data. Okay, just copy this code and paste on R console, and you will get a output like this. Okay, name list data is equal to C color odd language. Okay, you get output on R console like this. Python, PHP and Java, color red, green, black. Okay, just write this code or type this code on R console, or see here, this is the code list data. This is code for vectors, matrices and functions. I'm printing the content of list for second practical. This is code for second practical. Afterward, the third practical is nothing but the write an R program to convert a given matrix to a list and print list in ascending order. This is a third program. M is equal to matrix. Okay, print original matrix, print M, L is equal to split M. Just type this code on R program, R console. You get a output like this. Okay, now see here, this is a practical number 4. Write an R program to create 3 vectors ABC with 3 integers. Okay, and combines the 3 vectors, become 3 by 3 matrix where column represents a vector. Print the content of matrix. Means we have to create a 3 vectors ABC and combine to form a matrix. Okay, that's why see here, M is equal to matrix 1 is to 10, number of rows and number of columns. Print original matrix. Type this code on R console, you will get output like this. This is the content of matrix. Now fifth program is write an R program to draw an empty plot. An empty plot specify access limits of graph. Okay, see here, just print empty plot, plot.new, print empty plot, specify access limits of the graphic. Plot 1 type is equal to n, x lab, y lab, x limit is equal to 020, y lab 020. This is we get output of this code. Just type this code and you get a finally output. This is our fifth practical. Just pause your videos and write code and go through the R console and run the practicals. Okay, this is a practical number 6. Write an R program to compare two data frames to find the elements in the first data frame that are not present in the second data frames. Okay, that's why we have to compare two data frames. We have to create two data frames, and with the help of set difference function, we are set difference functions, we are getting the number of elements which are not present in second vectors. See here, A is equal to ABCD. Just type this code on R console and you are getting a final output ABC. Just pause and write this code on R console. Afterwards, 7th practical is about the write R program to find maximum and minimum value of given vectors. Okay, just type this code, copy this code or type this code on R console. You are getting output. We'll see a next practical, that's practical number 8. Write R program, sort vectors in ascending and descending order. With the help of sort function, we are ascending the vectors in ascending and descending. Suppose we want to decreasing order, then sort x decreasing true. Make this. Okay, just write this code on R console. You are getting a result output. And practical number 9. Write R program to compare two data frames to find the elements in first data frames that are not present in second data frames. Just type this code. Pause video and just type this code, and on R console you are getting output ABC here. And third program, write an R program to sum mean product of vectors. Okay, for this you first of all you have to create vectors, and with the help of print sum function you are getting addition sum of all elements, and mean function you are getting a mean of this product function, you are getting mean. This is our, just type this code on our console, you are getting output like this. Write R program to create a simple bar plot of subjects, 4 subjects marks. For this purpose, here first of all you have to create a vector and bar plot marks x lab, y lab. Okay. Just type this code on R console, you are getting output of graph. Practical number 12. Write an R program to create a data frames which contain details of 5 employees and display the details in ascending order. You are getting a output like this. This can display the details. Just type this code on R console. Practical number 30. Write an R program to create a data frames using 2 given vectors. Display duplicate elements unique row of set data frames. See here, type this code on R console. You get output. Write an R program, change the first level of factor with another level of factor. In next video, I will show how to run practicals on R consoles. Okay, these all are about. This is a practical number 15. Write R program to calculate multiplication table. Okay, type this code on R console. You are getting a result. And this is practical number 16. Write a script in R to create 2 vectors of different length and gives these vectors input array, print addition and subtraction of these vectors. See, just write this code on R console. You are getting output like this. Right, remaining part we will see into the next lecture. Thank you. In previous video, I already explained how to run programs on R console.